Hello, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and today I will be guiding you through the process of installing RTrader Pro and how to activate your Rithmic user ID. This tutorial will assume that you have already requested demo access through our website. It is worth noting that the username and password you choose on our website will be your Rithmic user ID. To begin, navigate to your email once requesting demo access on our website. Over the course of this tutorial, you will receive several emails. 2 from us at Optimus, and 1 from the Rithmic administration account. The first email received from us is a confirmation for your demo request. Click on the blue link in the email to confirm your request. Once confirmed, go back and open the email received from Rithmic. Click on the link to now activate your Rithmic ID. Now that you have activated your Rithmic ID, you will have to sign in to view and agree to the Rithmic CME Terms of Agreement. As I mentioned before, your login will be the same username and password you chose on the form to fill out the request for this demo. Now that you have signed in, you will be prompted to read through the subscription agreement. This is a necessary form that must be filled out to gain access to the Rithmic data feed and the platform itself, RTrader. Read through the forms and click Agree. On the second form, you will have the option of choosing between professional and non-professional. Choose the non-professional option. Once you have submitted the second form, you may go back to your email inbox where you will now have received the second email from us providing you with a link to download the RTrader Pro platform. Once the download is complete, click on the executable file to begin the installation process. Once the installation wizard pops up, the installation process is pretty self-explanatory. Click Next. I agree. Next once more unless you have a specific file location you'd like to store it to. And then you may launch a program from here. Just close it out and RTrader Pro will launch. From here, log in with the credentials that you've been signing in with thus far, aka the credentials you created on our website. For the system, select Rithmic Paper Trading, and for the gateway, you may leave as is. Click the green arrow to sign in. And once you've logged in, you are now ready to begin trading with RTrader Pro. Thank you for watching.